Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to make a very simple cookie for Christmas. Try them at home and you will love them. I'm sure your friends and family as well will love eating them. So let's get started how we make these lovely cookies. Before we start, if you haven't subscribed to my channel, don't forget to subscribe and view all my recipes for free. Also, don't forget to click on the like button and the bell icon. Alright then, let's get started. Start first by adding 1 stick of butter. I'm going to use 1 stick of butter, which is at room temperature. Okay. I'm now going to start creaming the butter. To this, now I'm going to add 1 cup sugar, which is approximately around 100 grams. Okay, I'm going to be using regular caster sugar, granulated caster sugar. That's about 1 cup or so. If you like it sweeter, you could add more. Alright, I'm just going to add 1 cup to it. Okay. And I'm again going to beat this and cream this up again. As you can see now, it's nicely creamed. The butter and sugar is nicely mixed and it's now light and frothy. Lovely cream. Okay. Now to this, what I'm going to do is I'm going to add my flour now. Make sure that my cookie is nice and crispy. What I'm doing is I'm going to add 1 cup of rice flour and 1 cup of all-purpose flour. It's about 1 cup each. Okay. I'm going to mix the two together. I've used unsalted butter, hence what I'm going to do is I'm going to use a pinch of salt so that the taste of these cookies are even more better. And I'm also going to be using vanilla powder instead of the liquid essence. What I'm going to use is vanilla powder. I'm going to use about a teaspoon of vanilla powder. That's 1 teaspoon. And I'm going to mix this all together and make it into a nice dough. Alright. If required, you can always add more flour depending on the type of flour that you're using. Sometimes you may require more than a cup. Okay. So I'm going to try this. Okay. Alright. So I'm going to now knead it and then get back to you. So here you go. My cookie dough is now ready. Let's go ahead and now start shaping it. What I'm going to do is I'm going to take the dough and make them into balls like so. You can make whatever shape you want. I'm going to make them like this, into small. Okay. To shape it, I'm going to take a fork and just press it like so. Alright? I'll be making all of the cookies shapes and getting back to you once the batter is all complete. I will then get back to you and show you how I bake it. So I've gone ahead and shaped all my cookie. Approximately they're about 30 cookies. Okay. Let's go ahead and bake it now. I'm going to start baking them. I'm going to bake them at about 170 degrees for about 15 to 20 minutes. Make sure you keep checking your cookies. Once the sides of the cookies is brown, that means they're ready. Sometimes it depends on the oven. Alright, so at the moment I've kept them at about 170 degrees for 20 minutes. Okay, but please keep checking it. If the sides are brown, that means your cookies are ready. So sometimes you can take them off sooner as well. Here you go. The cookies are now ready. I'm going to take it off from the oven now and let it cool. Wonderful butter cookies are now ready. If you like my recipe, make sure you subscribe to my channel and view all my recipes for free. Don't forget to click on the bell icon so that you can get further notification about the next recipe that I will be posting on my channel. And also don't forget to click on the like button and share my recipes. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you will try this Christmas and make your Christmas a wonderful day. Thank you so much. Have a nice day. Bye-bye. Let's go ahead and see how crispy they are. Here you go. See how crispy? Delicious.